In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your Microsoft Teams password. If you've found yourself needing to update your password for security reasons or simply want to ensure your credentials are up to date, you've come to the right place. Let's dive into the process, ensuring each step is easy to follow and understand. First things first, you need to open your web browser and navigate to the Microsoft account website. This is because the password change will actually occur for your overall Microsoft account, which in turn updates your access across Microsoft Teams as well. Go ahead and sign in using your current credentials. Make sure you input your username and password accurately to avoid any sign-in issues. Once you're logged in, you'll be taken to your account dashboard. Here, look for the section labeled Security or Security Privacy, depending on the layout you're presented with. It's usually located on the left-hand side of the page. Click on this to advance to the next step. Now, within the security settings, there should be an option to change your password. It's generally prominently displayed, ensuring easy access for users looking to update their security information. Click on Change Password. This will prompt a new screen where you'll be asked to verify your identity. This is a crucial second step in maintaining security. Depending on your previous settings, you might receive a code via email or SMS, which you must enter to proceed. Once you've successfully verified your identity, you can now enter your current password, followed by your new password. As a best practice, your new password should be unique, combining uppercase and lowercase letters, special characters, and numbers to enhance security. Remember, avoid using easily guessed passwords such as simple sequences or personal information. After you've input your new password, you will likely need to re-enter it in a confirmation box. This step ensures that there are no typos, so double-check your new password for accuracy. Now, click on Submit or Save to confirm your new password setting. You should receive a confirmation message indicating that your password has been successfully updated. This change will impact your Microsoft Teams account as well. The next time you log into Microsoft Teams, be sure to use your newly updated password. And there you have it, your Microsoft Teams password has been successfully changed by modifying your Microsoft account credentials. Remember to periodically update your passwords to stay one step ahead of any potential security breaches. If you ever have any doubts about the process or encounter difficulties, Microsoft support resources are a great place to find additional help. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful. Until next time, take care and keep your account secure.